So if you remember from part 1 of the quest to find what's wrong with four-wheel drive, you will know that my car doesn't always engage into four-wheel drive. However, I have been able to get it into four-wheel drive before. While it is an absolute pain, it sometimes requires, like there. So it sometimes goes in and out of four-wheel drive. I just had to back it up a little bit, and sometimes it'll go back. Now it's working perfectly fine. However, I have myself a new one of these panels. So in part 2 of the quest to find what's wrong with four-wheel drive, I'm going to be replacing this panel in hopes to fix the problem 90%. I don't know. I'm going to be replacing this. So let's get to it. But first, a quick unboxing. Bam! So in order to replace this, what you're going to want to do is you want to get a flathead screwdriver, stick it in the crack right here, slowly pry out, and bam! It just falls right out. Alright, to unplug, you're going to want to take this little tab, and you're just going to want to lift it up, and then the wire, just wiggle the wire right on out. For this big wire, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to grab this blue tab in here, push in. You might need to get a screwdriver into right there. Push in and up. And it should, with some finagling, just pop right out. Bam! So now we're going to do the exact same thing with the new buttons. This is our new buttons, nice and shiny and all white. All the buttons work. So what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna put it back in, push in until it snaps. Bam! There we go. That is in tight. We're going to want to do it with the second plug too. And these plugs also have fail-safe, so you know that they cannot go in backwards. I'm just gonna push it in. Push this little thing down if it doesn't go down already, and then just stick it right back in the hole. Voila! So after further testing, I can conclude that this was not the cause of our problem. It is still having problems going from too high into four-wheel drive. If you need any of the parts that were shown in this video, including that long screwdriver, there will be links down below to everything I have used not only in this video, but in part 1 of the quest to find what's wrong with four-wheel drive. If this video helped you replace your set of buttons in your Chevrolet Blazer, then please give this video a thumbs up. And if someone else is having a problem getting their four-wheel drive to work in their Chevrolet Blazer, how about you share this with them? That'd be really helpful. Anyway, this is Josh. I've had enough of this project, and I'm leaving. See you later.